here 15 minutes to half an hour. We've been looking at this because as I was going outside Elk Point to do some errands, I saw that there was a wall cloud on this thing. So what that means is wall cloud is a beginning definition of possible signs of a tornado. So I decided why not go live. I got my laptop, I got my phone, and we can easily hook up a hotspot. It might not be the best coverage, I will admit that, because hotspot is not the greatest, but it is better than nothing, and I'd rather be spotty and trying to warn you guys than not trying to warn you guys at all. So right now we're about to hop on I-29 South going into Sioux City to try to see if we can't catch up with the severe thunderstorm warned part of this storm, to see if we can't see anything and try to warn you guys of it as it's happening. I know there's more than a few people from Sioux City and the surrounding areas on the T-Storm Storm Chasers page, so we try to give everybody equal warning, and there's been some cells to the north and there's been some cells to the west, and not really much going on down here, so trying to warn everybody down here as well. So what you guys are looking at, it might not be the best video picture, but right in front of us is the very edge of the storm. And is that a cold air funnel or is that a SLC? I cannot tell right now, but that is the front edge of the storm, and if there would be a wall cloud, it would be right there, and I see a little one, so could very well mean that there's still some rotation going on with this. So we're going to watch it, we're going to follow it. Pretty gnarly looking storm, I would say so myself. I mean, there's some greens in there, there's some blues in there, probably some hail. It's getting really dark, so try not to zoom into this too quickly so we can assess our surroundings and make sure that we have an escape route if need be. If we get trapped in some hail or some heavy rains, we got a safe place to stop. So right now we're just passing the North Sioux City exit 2, so right before the Iowa-South Dakota border, and it's getting really dark. We don't have internet. Okay, so that's not good. It's getting so dark outside, everybody, that the street lamps are turning on. The automatic street lamps are turning on. So if that gives you a little cue on to how dark it is and how nasty this might get, there's your cue. Happy 4th of July, everybody. I bet this is the alright, we're heading into the heavier rain, so it starts to get louder. I do apologize. Cannot control the rain. Wish I could. Because we've been needing a lot of rain recently. It's been very dry, so. Redeveloping. Oh, and you can see right up into it. We got a little bit of rotation over the South Sioux City area right now. If I would have to guesstimate where that is, it'd be right over South Sioux. I would have to confirm it through radar, but I do see a little bit of spin in there. So just take some precautions, you know, not tornado warned as of yet. Gunner, can I borrow your phone, please? Yes. Thank you. let's get to a stop. And I'm gonna open this up, see if we can't. See the radar. There's the wall cloud over here. We're looking at. I don't know if you can see it over there, but it's over there behind that tree. So as we get into Nebraska, we will have a direct look. We will be looking directly at it. So, turn something off here. Okay. A couple pointers, but we're live streaming here on the T-Storm Chasers Facebook pages, and I believe the Twitter page as well. Not completely sure on that, but that might be a possibility. But we are in Sioux City now. We are in Sioux City, and we are crossing the Memorial Bridge, if you guys know where that is. It's the big green bridge going across the Missouri River over into Nebraska. So going from Iowa to Nebraska now, just because right to the left of us is a wall cloud. There's a wall cloud over Sioux City, or South Sioux City, I should say. And we're just watching it pretty closely. And we're trying to see if it does anything. And if it does anything, we will be right here, right in front of it to keep you updated on it and warn you about it. Because I'm not going to start babbling random stuff off here. Need some proof here. So the rain is starting to come down here in South Sioux City, Nebraska, which is good. We need the rain, but circumstances not so good. 4th of July, everybody wants fireworks and everything like that, but as of, oh, why is that guy blowing a stoplight? Did you see in southeastern South Dakota, northeastern Dakota County, and northeastern Nebraska, and northwestern Union County, or not Union County, Woodbury County, and west central Iowa. This is till 6:30, and for wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour. It is moving east at 30 miles an hour, so the cell that we are on is moving 30 miles an hour to our east. So, we are going, and if you are not a great driver in torrential downpours, I would not recommend you go out in this, because we are in the city, and I can probably see about 500 feet in front of me. So keep that in mind. If you don't like driving in torrential downpours and you're around the Sioux City area, I would not recommend you go out.